This is a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500 LTZ. Super nice truck. It's got 22-inch dub rims with some FAULKEN tires that are practically brand new. BORLA exhaust, black leather, non-smoker, very, very clean inside and out. I'm gonna point out a few little, little dents and dings and stuff, but overall this truck is in phenomenal condition. Go RHINO chrome running boards. It's got the LEER color match topper on the back, which that could be removed if you don't want it. It does have built-in remote start. It's not obnoxious, but it has a good little rumble to it. I'll do a couple revs in just a little bit. There are a few little dings here on the back bumper with some scuffs. That side looks pretty good. So it's got the spray-in bed liner, and honestly it looks barely used. You do see some scuffs here on the tailgate, but the liner itself is in great condition. It's got the carpet up top, and then you got the tailgate extender here that flips out and covers the whole edge of this. Looking at these tires, like I said, a ton of tread left. I can't even get my finger in there. It goes pretty far deep in there. These are FAULKEN Zex STZ 5s, 285 45 22s. Got the dubs. They look to be in really good condition. I'm not seeing any curb rash on this wheel. It's got the carpet liner here. It does have a little chip here in the paint and a dent. I don't see any curb rash on that wheel. Dark window tint, looks really good. It's got the WEATHERTECH brand bug guard here on the front. It does have some rock chips here on that lower fascia. A little scuff here and some rock chips here, and it does have a dent with some paint missing right there. Walking around, other than that, nothing major, just some small cosmetic stuff. That rim looks good. I do not see any curb rash on it as well. And then these are WEATHERTECH rain guards up top. Black leather. This back seat looks to be in really good condition. Full coverage WEATHERTECH liner here in the rear. As well as on the front. So it's got the WEATHERTECH liner here. So the carpet looks really good underneath. Typical LTZ stuff here. Power windows, locked side mirrors, power folding side mirrors, driver memory package, BOSE audio. Here's the driver's seat. Typical wear here, no rips, no tears, just typical wear on the bolstering, but the seat in itself looks great condition. Full console there. $71,000 miles. Cruise control. Bluetooth. It's got the 5.3 V8. It is two-wheel drive, but you do have the automatic headlights, built-in navigation, backup camera. There's your MyLink system. Heated and cooled seats, driver and passenger. Dual zone automatic climate control. Here's your parking sensors. You notice it was on the front and the rear. There's all your ports. Got the big console with the removable tray and a cubby underneath. And you can stick these up front if you want, but stick them back where they were. Large console with a 12-volt port, 2 USB auxiliary, and an SD. There's your WeatherTech liner there as well. Up top, you got your power sliding glass, garage door openers, LED map lights, built-in OnStar. And then let's do a little exhaust rev. Nothing too loud. Just a little bit of rumble. The inside of this is in great shape. Very well taken care of truck. It does, like I said, have a few little chips and dings on the outside, but it is a 70,000 mile truck. It is bound to happen. Like I said, nothing major. There we go.